Hey, Hector here from My Credit Sharks. Great job. You're all set with your appointment. You took the first step, okay? You booked it. You are ready to go and ready to get your credit fixed. Below, we have some more testimonials for you. Make sure you take a look at those whenever you get a chance. In addition to that, we put a link right below so that you could sign up with the credit monitoring. Every client that's in my program must do the credit monitoring. This is the only way that we could give you correct and accurate information and scores. Okay, don't use something like Credit Karma. It doesn't show you the problem. With this credit monitoring, we're gonna see all 3 credit bureaus. We're gonna be able to identify what the problem is, and then I'm going to identify exactly how we're gonna get it deleted. All right, great job in taking this first step. We look forward to your appointment. If you have any questions in the meantime, you can always just text us and we will reply, or call us if your appointment is in a couple of days but you need an answer now. Just call us. We're here, looking forward to speaking with you. Hector, My Credit Sharks.